Yaani nderitu amekubali Samidoh aone watoto wake. Aje sasa. Mtu amekuacha, akaachana na wewe, akachukua huyu Karen Nyamu mwingine.
Magamuthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Maybe TV kwa gituika atiriri nothing but prayer works ini oni thutha wake nderitu kuigwa mukayo wa andu aingi muno ni makirigagwo atiriri after Samidoh gwithi kuria hatari mundu tarakirekia gabica at least gatuonie kuragethia atia riu nderitu after dakika 20 ni akirekereria ndumiriri haria mwena wa Facebook na akiuga atiriri in this grand game of life you are the ultimate boss. Don't let circumstance define you. Happiness. Embrace your inner power, trust your instinct, and forge your own path to success and fulfillment. Agishoka kiwa happy is that day. Nothing but prayers, answered prayers. No agithimu nena agicedirie riu ni answered prayers. Unu thutha wake Samidoh gwikinya mwena uria wa America ugikigeithia ciana ciake after a long time makirirukite mwena uria mafans nao nia kwina kiaria matagikenetio ni uhoro uyu amwe kiendaga maundu magithuke ni guthomera some comment section ukiuga mafans ria magiukiriirie uhoro uyu amwe ndingi magikenete ungirauga atiriri you hit the nail girl nothing but prayer gakimwira ati nothing but prayer imeanza kuwaka ni agicokerio ni andu muno hena teri rauga atiri looking good as always just find yourself kauga atiri keep going edday you are the best woman of lovely husband Allah cinagituikira wa guthekererwo muno ni kuguota haria lovely husband na ungirauga atiri power of prayer you are looking sharp mama ndorokasa kauga that's true you are always my role model let me comment before team Karen wakuja hapa wanichape maoni mado hoge akauga atiri I love this one very principled one Sarah kauga if you are happy I'm happy too Lina kauga you are blessed girl Samidoh Kima rescue from winter you are very happy maoni mado makihugitwo ni matoko ya ni makena muno tondu marigagwo atiriri andu managika atia na kuria niguo tugiteia makirekie gabica tukimenya kana mari hamwe kana no social media uria gikaga tukiugia atia na tukenete muno ndu uhoro ucio na ndumiriri njege kuma kwa nderitu ihinda ringi twatuika akumagara. Urerorera Miaki na Maybe TV iraha niho mucii wiigue wi mucii.